Long layers frame the face and contrast with primarily solid lengths in the back. The layers are sculpted to maintain a heavier feeling, and the weight is reduced slightly along the surface of the solid form. This combination of increased layers and solid lengths creates soft texture around the face and weight in the back of the design. The structure graphic shows solid lengths in the back of the design, contrasted by increased layers in the front. Subtle blending connects the two forms, and the solid form becomes slightly rounded to reduce the appearance of weight. The art shows that the head will be sectioned with a center part from the forehead to the nape and from the apex to each ear. Horizontal partings will be used to sculpt the back, and vertical partings will be used to sculpt the front. Pivotal partings in the crown are used to soften the weight of the solid form. With the head upright, release a horizontal parting at the nape. Use natural distribution with no projection and position your fingers horizontally. Sculpt parallel using the notching technique. Sculpt from the center to one side. Then sculpt from the center to the other side. Continue working up the back section. Maintain consistent horizontal partings, natural distribution, and no projection as you work toward the top of the head. In the crown area, carefully maintain natural distribution. Sculpt horizontally with no projection and no tension. The art shows pivotal partings that will be used to sculpt the upper back to reduce weight. Depending on the amount of weight to be reduced, these partings can be extended farther. Release a pivotal parting at the center back of the crown. Project the length straight out, position your fingers vertically, and sculpt with the notching technique. Work toward one side, sculpting each pivotal parting individually. Work to the sectioning line at the ear. Then repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Vertical partings will be used to sculpt the front of the design. Each parting will be distributed forward at approximately 45 degrees. Release a small section of the center front hairline and establish the length guide just below the chin. Then, compare lengths of the sideburn and nape with the length guide. This will help to accurately predict your results and make modifications if necessary. Begin on one side. Take a vertical parting and distribute the hair forward at approximately 45 degrees. Position your fingers vertically and sculpt parallel, creating a stationary design line. Distribute subsequent vertical partings to the stationary design line in the same manner. Continue sculpting vertically. Work toward the ear, converging subsequent vertical partings forward. Continue sculpting vertically, working from the top of each parting to the bottom. Continue working toward the center back if lengths reach the design line. Use pivotal partings in the same sculpting technique. Move to the other side and use the same techniques to sculpt. Continue to take partings beyond the sectioning line to ensure blending with the back. Work to the center back using the same sculpting technique. Converge the hair in the front to the center and check for symmetry. If needed, blend the two sides using natural fall, slightly refining the line. Take a small section at the apex and project it straight up. Notch to create a subtle blend between the front and the back lengths. Tilt the head slightly and distribute close to the intended finish direction. Position your fingers near the ends and slide cut with the shears through the mid-strand along the front to add mobility. The completed sculpture shows solid perimeter lengths in the back with a reduction of weight through the crown for a softer finish. Layers frame the face and can be worn toward or away from the face.